Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a shadow in Photopea. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open your image in Photopea. So this is the only layer I have other than my background. So I'm going to add a shadow to this entire layer by coming over to the right hand side under layers and double click on this. It should bring up a layer style menu. In the left hand side, select the drop shadow and then you can change the options here if you like, or you can press OK. And now there is a shadow and you can change these options again by opening up the right hand side. As you can see this icon here, we are going to press this arrow and then you can see all the effects that are on this layer. You can double click onto the drop shadow and then it will bring you back here. Now you can change the things like noise, like opacity. You can change the angle, distance, spread or size, and all these things. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to add a shadow in Photopea. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.